how to change your headline easy and quick on Udemy. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it easy and quick. First open your browser and now go to Udemy, and once you're here go to this one in top corner and then click on it. Click on your profile here, and as you see here you will find your profile settings. Now go to this one here, profile, and here we'll find that headline. Now just type here anything you want, like anything you want here, and then scroll down, and here we'll find save. Don't forget to save it, and that's it. Now just go back, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.